Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you cancel Western Union transfer. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Western Union and log into your account. So once you've logged in, so if you want to cancel a transaction that you just did, so what you have to do, you can just either go to your history, click on the three options, the three bars there, click on history, all right, and then you can look for the transaction or the transfer that you did that you want to cancel. So for example, this one here, so I want to cancel this. This one here, this is the one I just recently did it. So click on these three dots here, click on it, and then you will see the cancel option here. So if you want to cancel it, just hit on the cancel option. Okay, and please note that you can only cancel a transaction if it is still under progress. So suppose if it has been completed, for example here, this one here, the green dot, which means completed, if you click it, you won't be able to cancel it anymore because it's not because it's been completed already. So you can only cancel it if it's still under progress. So that's the only, so that's when you can you will have the cancel option, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.